Welcome to the Stoic Shakedown, your guide to unlocking the wisdom of ancient and modern Stoics, including Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Ryan Holiday. Through our engaging and thought-provoking videos, we focus on the theory and application of Stoicism, equipping you with the tools to create a life of purpose, depth, and meaning. Embrace the timeless teachings of Stoicism and embark on a journey of personal growth and transformation. Hit the subscribe button and follow Stoic Shakedown on Instagram and Twitter. In this video, we are examining how the timeless Stoic practice of journaling can change your life. Let's get started. Stoic journaling dates back to ancient Greece and Rome, where philosophers like Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius practiced and promoted it. Journaling was a way for them to reflect on their thoughts, emotions, and actions, with the aim of improving themselves and living in accordance with nature. In fact, Marcus Aurelius' Meditations was essentially his personal journal, written over many years, that we can now read and learn from today. Throughout history, Stoic philosophers have emphasized the importance of self-reflection. Let's take a look at some quotes. Seneca once said, "We should every night call ourselves to an account. What infirmity have I mastered today? What passions are opposed? What temptation resisted? What virtue acquired?" Epictetus advised, "Let not sleep descend on your weary eyes before having reviewed every action of the day." And modern Stoic Ryan Holiday reminds us, "The key to a good life is not giving a fuck about more, it's about giving a fuck about less, giving a fuck about only what is true and immediate and important." Stoic journaling has numerous benefits, such as developing self-awareness. Reflecting on your thoughts, emotions, and actions helps you understand yourself better. Cultivating gratitude. Focusing on the positives in your life helps to foster a sense of appreciation. Building resilience. By working through challenges and setbacks, you strengthen your mental fortitude. Improving decision-making. Analyzing your choices and their consequences can lead to better decision-making in the future. Reducing stress. Expressing your thoughts and emotions on paper can be cathartic and help release tension. Now that we know the benefits of Stoic journaling, let's dive into some prompts that you can use to get started. What are 3 things I'm grateful for today, and why? How did I handle a challenging situation today, and what can I learn from it? What virtues did I practice today, and in what ways can I improve? What negative thoughts or emotions did I experience, and how can I reframe them in a more rational way? In what ways did I live in accordance with nature today, and how can I continue to do so? Remember, the key to successful journaling is consistency. Dedicate a few minutes each day to reflect and write, and you'll start to see the benefits before you know it. So, there you have it. Stoic journaling is an ancient practice that can bring clarity, resilience, and self-awareness to your life. Remember to share and like this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.